Hey folks, I've got Larry's tenor ukulele to show you today. This is kind of a standard wood setup for me, and I'm really proud to put another one out like this. So the top is Orford Cedar. That's from the Oregon coast, and this is some of my favorite stuff that's got some mineral striping in it. It's really cool looking. And then a Oregon Walnut back and sides. That's an asymmetrical one-piece back. Really colorful, beautiful walnut in that. Pistachio for the bridge and the fretboard and head plate. It's fun to make that match up. And then the neck is redwood and walnut. This redwood is saved from an old factory floor. So yeah, it's a pretty cool instrument. It's got a pickup in it. Yeah, feels good. So that's number 650, ready to go.